All right, so you go to back to the source code. Let's go back to the source code. Let's go to contrib. Let's go to seeds. So if you look at the README in seed, you see Python generate seed.py. When you're creating a new coin, you have to run this particular one here. But when you've created a lot of them and you want to get it directly, you can use this from the main. That's to get from your present running nodes for that particular coin. You run the above one. So but this, we're going to run this. So everything here, if you look at, let's say we want to check what is here. Let's copy there and check what is in source. Remember, it's in source. It's in source, and we want to check nano. All right, let's see. This is what we see. That of Bitcoin. You see how lengthy it is. You see how lengthy it is. So if you go to source, then you see it there in source. In chain, you now see chainparamsseeds.h. You see this lot of things. Now we want to make sure ours shows here. So let's see. This is what we'll run. We'll run this particular one from here. Run this particular one. Copy, and then Control V. You see, instant. So now let's look at it back. Let's see what is there now. Now you see, this is ours. This is that. You see, this is ours here. Okay. All right. So we've done that. We've done that. Then it is important when you want to run, when you want to create a lot of operating system, different type of wallet for operating system. You have to check something. Let's say. Um, all right. Go back. All right. CD depends. All right. Trip comment. All right. What I'm going to teach you that later. That means I'm going to teach you something you should do if you want to create different platform, different operating system wallets. That's Windows, Linux, Mac, and all in this particular laptop. I'm going to show you how you can do that. You create all the different wallets from using a depends. So we've been able to do that. If you go to depends, you're going to run it from depends, but we'll look at that later because right now we are building for a window operating Linux operating system. So that's Ubuntu operating system. So that is that. So if we check our what we did initially, this particular place, if you check it here directly from the source. So if you check this, you see this is it, this particular one, this particular one. So the next thing we'll do now is we are going to look at how we've done that, how there's a particular place you have to change the images. We'll look at it in the next video. Look at how we change that particular images so that when we're trying to build cross compile JavaScript coin in different for window and all that, we'll look at what to change. You change the image from there, then I will also teach you first thing first that I'll teach in the next video is going to be that of validation. We're going to see how you can add pre-mine, how you can if you don't want to add pre-mine, you leave it in that way. So thank you for watching. Keep subscribing as more and more videos will be uploaded daily and constantly. Thank you.